Monolithic insulating joints or monoblocks. Dielectric monoblock insulating joints are specialized components installed in pipeline systems to interrupt the electrical continuity of the line and prevent stray currents or galvanic corrosion between metallic sections that are connected to different electrical potentials. They electrically isolate one pipeline section from another, ensuring that cathodic protection currents or external interferences, power lines, stations, other networks, do not travel beyond the intended point. Construction and design. Standard design. Manufactured according to ASME B31.4 and B31.8 and API 5L, 4 pressurized sections. Tested in accordance with API 6D and ISO 14313, pressure, leakage, isolation. Monoblock integral type. The body is a single machined metallic piece, with no flanged joints or bolts. This eliminates leakage points and reduces maintenance. Internal elements. Dielectric insulators, epoxy, resins, PTFE, or special polyamides. Secondary metallic seals, lip seal, or metal-to-metal. Primary sealing components, high-temperature elastomers or fluoropolymers. Common materials. Body, API, 5L grade B, X42 to X70. A105 and A350, LF2. External coatings, FBE or 3LPE for external corrosion protection. Insulating material, molded epoxy, phenolic resins, or fiberglass-reinforced nylon. Typical tests. Hydrostatic test at 1.5 times the maximum allowable working pressure. Dielectric test, typically greater 5 kV. Helium or nitrogen leak test. Radiographic or UT inspection of welds. Electrical resistance test, mega-ohm or giga-ohm range. Typical pipeline installation locations. At compressor station outlets or valve station locations. At terminal or refinery inlets or outlets to separate cathodic protection zones. At border crossings, coastal transitions, or interfaces between different operators. More than 25 years of experience in oil and gas, LNG, and energy projects. Competitive lead times and strict compliance with quality and safety standards. Certifications ISO 9001 and ISO 29001 reinforce our reliability. Contact us. sales@technicorp.com. +1 7134294149.